First of all, I'm quite overwhelmed by this award. I must acknowledge and accept this, because when I was submitting, I knew that there were radio stations that were in existence for a very long time, and if you look at it, we are just 18 months old, with all the problems and everything in the initial stages, but we started off, and it has been a real uphill climb. But the fact of the matter is that for me, there are only 2 or 3 things that matter. One is my community, to whom we are catering. This would not have been possible without the participation of the community, because that was our main focus, and the community has made this possible for us, and I'm really grateful to the community of Mewat, who are our listeners, who are our callers, and who tune in every day to our radio. That is very important for me. Number 2 is that for a community radio station, besides your content and your programming and your equipment and everything, what I felt was the economic sustainability. So I have been lucky. I was able to get a good team together. My team is very powerful. Together we make a very strong team. We have a direct connection with the community, and I thought that if only content and programming is going to be focused on a not sustenance part in terms of economic sustenance, then at some stage we may have to say bye and sorry. So at the same time, we were focusing entirely on the economic sustainability. I don't think there was any department which I didn't knock. We have in the district, in the state, in the central government, and it takes time, but we never said die. We continued with the same people. Today NABARD is one of my biggest supporters, and it took me 2.5 years to get my project through. But what was important is that from the officer concerned right up to the chairman, I did not give up, and I went to each and every person and convinced them that here is the community, this is where we need to focus. Today NABARD is running a number of projects in Mewat, and I think that at some stage I have played a role in that. We invited Dr. Saida Hamid of Planning Commission 4 years back to Mewat and told her to take it up, take it up in the Planning Commission and do something for this. When we started our radio station, she was one of our first few visitors. So, making people come to our radio, talk about our radio, get involved in our radio, people at the district, people at the state, people at the community, people at the panchayat level, everybody, we try to make them stakeholders in what we are doing. And I think that is one of the biggest reasons for whatever we may call today as our success. It was very planned strategy, if I may say that. We started with 2 hours, and in 18 months we are now broadcasting for 10 hours. We took one step at a time. We our reporters are from the ground. They are from the community. They know the community. So we took up very simple programs which became very popular, like Gaon Gaon Ki Baat. Just go to a village, talk to people, get their bites, get their stories, and put them on it. Aaj ka Mehman, a child who comes in, a lady who's working somewhere, a person who's riding a rickshaw, everyone is the Aaj ka Mehman. That's how you build your stakeholders. Number 2, once we started, we talked about everything. We talked about health, we talked about women empowerment, we talked about everything that other radio stations do. But then we had to find our funders. Financial inclusion. 90% of the households are financially excluded in Mewat. So that became a very important program for us. So today we have a commitment of 200 programs on financial inclusion. We've already broadcast 70. Health is a major concern in Mewat. Water is a problem. So we started focusing on health. Now we took a very holistic approach of health, where water issues, sanitation, immunization, everything becomes a part of health. We have already broadcast 80 programs on health. So, it was a step-by-step learning, evolving based on the needs of the community, based on the requirements, without compromising our mission and our vision, which is we are a development radio. We are here to empower the communities through information, and at no stage can we compromise on this mission of ours. And where information is concerned, we are very clear that we will get every script vetted. We are into a virginal land. We are trying to get into the minds of people who did not have access to information. At some stage, they may start considering us to be God. Somebody who, whatever comes out from this radio station has to be true. So that is our challenge, and that is how we have worked on our content. The best thing about Mewat is that the challenge was my advantage, because nobody likes to work there. Nobody likes to go there. people are so rude because of water paucity. You know, these people, the Meos, cannot actually wash their clothes every day. People would not sit with them, people would not eat with them, people would not talk to them. It was always them and us, them and us. Through this community radio, it is us. It is their radio, it is them, it is they who are running it. Or if I look at it the other way, then it is our radio, we are running it along with the community who's become part of us. So that us and them divide has finished. We are part of them, they are part of us, and together we are running this. You know, for us, everything about Mewat came to our advantage. They don't watch TV, so they have to listen to some, you know, the world has got globalized and you can't keep these people cut off from any form of information. So radio got into that little gap and made a niche for itself. They did not have any access to information because people are not helping them. They are being exploited. This radio is giving them everything free of cost, telling them these are the schemes, this is where you can go, this is what can be done. If this is not done, you can write to us, you can call us, you can come on our radio. We don't promise, to resolve the issue right away, but we certainly promise to take your voice to the right places, and then, you know, we are all together, in it together, and we can fight for you. That is what our radio is doing. I'll tell you, you know, there are a lot of health schemes, okay? There is a mobile van which comes to your doorstep, takes your pregnant woman, your wife or your mother or your daughter, and takes her to the hospital and gives free of charge service, okay? Through our radio, we have been advertising the number of the van, the helpline, and I think that in the last 18 months, I wouldn't like to take credit for everything because there are other departments also that are doing this work, but I think there has been almost a 30% increase in institutional deliveries. That is one. Number two, we have an hospitality institute just running the admission ads. Deep Engineering Institute and Hospitality Management Institute, just running the ads of admissions are open has made a difference. You know, I can go on endlessly, but there are lots of things like for financial inclusion. Let me tell you, there are people who would charge the client 10 rupees or 20 rupees to open an account. Through our radio, we've told everyone, this is a free service. You don't have to pay a penny. And now, our people themselves have helped in opening around 2,500 savings accounts, no-frill accounts. Even for no-frill, people would say, oh, you have to give 100 rupees. You know, they are illiterate. Only 33% of the women are literate. So through the radio station, we have been able to at least reach out in those sectors where the people can benefit. They understand how they can benefit by opening an account. And I think that, you know, it's so difficult. It's not a building that you can construct and you can say, okay, today you have built so much, tomorrow you are building so much, and you can measure it. This change will only show itself in, say, the next couple of years. Give us 3-4 years, and then I think everybody in the community would be knowing about Radio Mewat and would be participating in the programs of Radio Mewat.